When your skin feels smooth and soft, you feel confident to bare it. If you're tired of shaving, waxing, and tweezing in order to show off your beautiful skin, then it's time to ditch the razor and try laser hair removal with BareHR by Sciton. BareHR delivers gentle pulses of laser energy to the skin that specifically target hair, destroying it at the follicle, leaving the surrounding skin unaffected. BareHR is safe for all skin types, any time of year, anywhere on the body. With BareHR treatments, you'll see a gradual reduction in the amount of hair, as well as hair thickness after each session. Treatments are fast, easy, and convenient, and there's no downtime, so you can go from hair to bare without sacrificing your social life. Since hair grows in 3 stages, multiple treatments will be needed, but they can be easily performed on your lunch break, taking just a few minutes, depending on the area being treated. Most patients describe the sensation similar to that of a rubber band snapping, which immediately resolves once the treatment is over. With BareHR, you'll have smooth, touchable skin without the time, irritation, or inconvenience of other hair removal methods. Have the confidence to BareHR with laser hair removal by Sciton.